In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mark your sent email as most important using exclamation mark in Outlook. First of all, go to your Outlook and just compose a new email. And now in these two fields, go ahead and add here the recipient email address so you want to send a mail. And in this box, write your message. And now to mark this message important, all you have to need, go to message option, and here you will find these high importance or red exclamation mark icon. Just click on that to make the message importance. Now just send this message, and your message will be sent as high importance. So this is how we can do it. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.